This cheesecake is so fancy, it looks like it belongs in a dessert castle, guarded by squirrels in little tiny tuxedos and velvet bow ties. Hopefully not literally. Too late. Sugar squeak. Wardrobe fitting started at noon. In goes roasted pistachios, flour, sugar, and melted butter. Blend it until it looks like enchanted green sand. Scooped straight from a beach where mermaids trade seashells from cheesecake slices. Say that 10 times fast. You want crumbly sparkle, not pistachio paste. If it turns into nut butter, you've spun farther off course than Jum Jum driving a shopping cart through a disco parade. Fascinating. The artifact continues to maintain proximity without visual restraint. Yes, yes, yes! Classic case of involuntary magical adhesion or cleanness. That little bit of texture makes the crust twinkle in every slice like edible glitter at a cheesecake gala. Now press that pistachio crust all around those ladyfinger walls like you're building tiny edible cheesecake towers for castle royalty. And would you look at those pistachio walls? They're greener than a pickle-wearing envy pants at a cucumber beauty contest. Press firm enough so the shell unmolds clean and proud, but don't squash it flatter than flapjacks under a monster truck rally. Our crust recipe makes enough in case you want to use another bundt pan and coat it all around, and then you can have an upside down cheesecake. Hey! It is not sentient. That's a big word. No. And it is suspicious.
Status report!
Bottle stable. Magic contained. Risk level mildly sparkly. We are preparing a small test. Just a small one. Bake that crust until the pistachios smell nuttier than a squirrel orchestra playing kazoo jazz. Cool the crust before adding filling, or the butter gets slippery slidey like a penguin cannonballing into a hot tub. And slip your roasting pan in full of hot water. Just a small one.
Proceed with restraint.
Initiating minimal extraction. Oh! Pistachio choux pastry, my favorite! Oh, look at that cream cheese beaten smoother than silk pajamas drifting through whipped cream clouds. Mamma mia! Always scrape the bowl just in case something's hiding on the bottom. Now shower in that lemon and orange zest like citrus fireworks exploding over a disco ballroom. Kapow! Well, that was not expected.
Stand back! Even browning. Crisp edges. Acceptable.
We extracted magic! And received breakfast. Room temperature cream cheese mixes smoother than slow jazz poured over melted butter. Cold cream cheese lumps up faster than mashed potatoes at a cafeteria food fight. Sheesh! one egg at a time, slow and gentle, like a sleepy hamster floating downstream on a marshmallow raft. Too much mixing whips in air, and then your cheesecake puffs up like a parade balloon before sinking sadder than drooped carnival ice cream. Ay caramba! Low speed gives us silky cheesecake, velvet sugar squeaks, not fluffy sponge boing boing bouncing around like startled sofa cushions. Color dial. Oh my stars! Oh my stars! That's cool! It converts magical output into domestic utility.
Highly civilized. It may need honey.
Now we give our cheesecake a warm, steamy spa treatment. This hot water bath wraps around the pan like a big fuzzy bathrobe fresh from the dryer. Steam keeps cheesecake from cracking apart like a dry desert dirt. Nobody wants cheesecake looking rougher than a week-old lawn furniture. And bake until the edges are set, but the middle is still jiggly, soft like a marshmallow, dancing the cha-cha-cha in bunny slippers. Let's increase output by 10%. That feels reckless. Okay, let's be bold.
I sense this is a mistake.
Wow! The whole thing! I'm hungry. Now let that cheesecake cool slow and graceful, like a movie star floating down a glittery staircase made of whipped cream and feathers. Va-va-boom. Fast temperature swings crack cheesecake faster than cheap sunglasses at a monster truck rodeo. We may have overachieved. We made a hospitality event.
At last. Structure.
Moment of truth, my little sugar squeaks. Great googly moogly! Oh! Look at those Charlotte ridges. Smoother than whipped cream riding a roller coaster through a cloud factory. Strange. Our signal is being suppressed. Masked? Perhaps.
By what?
Unknown variable, highly inconvenient.
Until further notice, we proceed with discipline. And pastries.
Look at that glossy citrus syrup shimmer like bottled sunshine twirling under a disco ball at a honeybee prom. We keep the syrup mostly in the middle so those beautiful Charlotte lines can still strut around the edge like runway supermodels. Did you go to Cheesecake Fashion Week? Wrap those warm lemon peels around chopsticks like curly sunshine ribbons getting ready for the Citrus Olympics. Oh, they look like tiny yellow streamers tossed around by glamorous fruit fairies. Oh, thin peels curl prettier and taste brighter than thick peels loaded with bitter pith. That's the white part. Thick pith tastes grumpier than a cat wearing soggy socks.